Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I can confidently say is the best wood adjustable height high chair on the market, the Abiie Beyond Junior Wooden High Chair. This is not just another high chair. It's a complete mealtime solution built to adapt with your child from infancy all the way to adulthood. The Abiie Beyond Junior isn't just about good looks, though with its natural wood finish and sleek black pearl cushion, it's certainly a stylish addition to any kitchen or dining room. What really sets this chair apart is its smart, ergonomic design paired with unmatched versatility. It's constructed from top-quality European beech wood and designed to grow with your child, right from 6 months old up to a whopping 250 pounds. Yes, you heard that right, this chair can support an adult, and that means you're not just buying a baby chair, you're investing in a lifetime piece of furniture. Let's talk about the Easy Seat System, one of Abie's standout features. This allows you to adjust the height and footrest levels in less than 20 seconds, and without the need for any tools. Transitioning it from a high chair for your baby to a regular dining chair for a toddler or even an adult is effortless. That means if you're short on seating at a dinner party, this high chair can become a regular adult chair in no time. Now when it comes to hygiene, Abiie has gone above and beyond. The wood has been sterilized using pressure-assisted high-temperature treatment at 248 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 120 degrees Celsius, to ensure a germ-free surface. It's a level of sterilization you rarely see in baby furniture and gives real peace of mind, especially during those messy mealtime years. Speaking of mess, let's be honest, babies and toddlers are experts in that department. Fortunately, the Abiie Beyond Junior is made to handle it. The seat cushions are fully waterproof, meaning no spills are ever absorbed. You can simply wipe them down with a damp cloth and you're done. It's BPA-free, phthalate-free, PVC-free, lead-free, and it's even built with non-toxic materials. This is a big deal when you consider how often babies end up chewing or touching everything in sight. What also adds incredible value is the durability of this product. Despite being built for kids, this isn't a throwaway product. It weighs about 17 pounds, which strikes a perfect balance, heavy enough to be stable and secure, but light enough to move around easily if needed. And if anything does go wrong, Abiie backs this product with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, plus optional extended protection plans. Now, although this chair is incredibly versatile and durable, do note that it isn't microwave or dishwasher safe in its entirety, only the tray cover is. And shipping limitations may apply depending on your location, so be sure to check before purchasing if you're buying from outside the US. To sum it all up, the Abiie Beyond Junior Wooden High Chair is more than just baby furniture, it's a thoughtfully engineered, long-lasting piece of home design that grows with your child and adapts to your family's evolving needs. It's safe, hygienic, easy to clean, and environmentally conscious. For parents looking to invest in a high-quality, stylish, and practical high chair, the Abiie Beyond Junior is as good as it gets. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our in-depth product reviews. See you in the next one.